Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best birdbath fountain that are available on the market for their true quality. You can check out the product links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. Coming in at number 5 is the Alpine Corporation TEC 106BZ 35-inch tall 3-tier pedestal water fountain with birdbath. This product stands out for its elegant 3-tier cascading water design, blending functionality and aesthetic appeal. It serves as both a decorative fountain and birdbath, making it ideal for attracting wildlife while enhancing your garden, patio, or deck. The sound of cascading water adds a tranquil ambiance that's perfect for outdoor relaxation. The fountain is constructed from durable, weather-resistant resin, ensuring it can withstand the elements without fading or cracking over time. Its bronze finish gives it a vintage appeal, and despite its impressive size, standing at 35 inches tall, it remains lightweight at just 6 pounds. The corded electric power source ensures reliable performance without dependence on sunlight, making it a great option for shaded areas or nighttime use. While the Alpine fountain is visually stunning, it may not be the best choice for those looking for a solar-powered or budget-friendly option. Additionally, its assembly requires a bit of effort, though maintenance is minimal once set up. If you're looking for a centerpiece that doubles as a birdbath while adding elegance to your outdoor space, this fountain is a solid choice. At number 4, we have the Otka Solar Fountain, which is the most budget-friendly option on our list at just $9.99. This floating solar-powered fountain is perfect for those who want a simple yet effective way to enhance their birdbath, garden, or pond. Its 1.4-watt solar panel allows it to operate in direct sunlight without requiring batteries or electricity. It comes with 6 different nozzle types, letting you customize the water spray pattern to suit your preferences. The Otka fountain is compact, measuring just over 6 inches in diameter, and includes water shortage protection to prevent damage when the water level gets too low. The washable filter is a thoughtful addition, helping to block dirt and dust to keep the pump running smoothly. However, it's important to note that this product requires direct sunlight to function and will not operate on cloudy days or at night. While the Otka fountain is a great entry-level option, its lower power output means it's best suited for smaller bird baths or ponds. The build quality is decent for the price, though it doesn't feel as robust as higher-end models. Overall, if you're on a tight budget and want a reliable fountain for daytime use, this is a fantastic choice. Number 3 on our list is the Mad Max 1-watt solar bird bath fountain pump, a step up in design and functionality. Priced at $13.99, this floating fountain is powered by a 1-watt solar panel, offering a spray height of up to 70 centimeters in direct sunlight. It doesn't require batteries or electricity, making it an eco-friendly option for your garden or bird bath. The included retainer prevents the pump from floating away, ensuring water doesn't splash outside the basin, a thoughtful feature that saves you from frequent refills. The package includes 6 nozzle options, allowing you to experiment with different spray patterns and customize the aesthetic of your water feature. The fountain is lightweight and easy to use. It starts working within 3 seconds of exposure to sunlight. However, like most solar fountains, it won't operate on cloudy days or at night. Maintenance is straightforward, as regular cleaning prevents clogging and prolongs the pump's lifespan. While the Mad Max 1-watt model offers excellent value for its price, its lower solar power output compared to higher-tier options means it's best suited for small to medium-sized bird baths or ponds. The performance is consistent, and it's a great pick for buyers seeking reliable functionality without breaking the bank. At number 2, we have the Mad Solar Bird Bath Fountains Pump Upgrade 1.4W Solar Fountain, priced at $16.79. This model offers several enhancements over its predecessor, including a slightly more powerful 1.4W solar panel for improved spray height and performance. It operates within seconds of exposure to sunlight and includes the same thoughtful retainer design to keep the pump centered in your bird bath, minimizing water wastage. Standout feature here is the inclusion of 6 nozzles, which provide a variety of water spray patterns to suit different garden aesthetics. The bubble mode is particularly useful for smaller bird baths as it prevents excessive splashing. The upgraded design ensures better durability, though it still requires regular cleaning and ample sunlight for optimal performance. This fountain is ideal for medium-sized bird baths, fish tanks, or small ponds. However, its dependence on direct sunlight means it's not suitable for shaded areas or nighttime use. Overall, the Matamax 1.4W solar fountain is a solid mid-range option for buyers who want a balance of performance, reliability, and customization. Finally, coming in at number 1 is the Aliexpress 3.5-watt solar fountain pump. Priced at $18.99, this premium product takes the top spot for its upgraded 3.5-watt solar panel, delivering superior performance and durability. It features a separate pump and solar panel design connected by a 9.8 feet cord, allowing for versatile placement even in shaded areas. The high-efficiency solar panel ensures maximum energy conversion, producing an impressive spray height that varies based on sunlight intensity. The Aliexpress fountain includes multiple nozzle options for customizing the water spray pattern, and its retractable stand keeps the pump securely centered in your bird bath to prevent water from spilling out. Additional features like water shortage protection and a built-in filter make this fountain easier to maintain and longer-lasting compared to other models. It's perfect for DIY water features, fish tanks, or larger bird baths. While it's the most expensive option on our list, the Aliexpress 3.5-watt solar fountain pump justifies its price with top-notch performance, design flexibility, and eco-friendly operation. If you're looking for a premium bird bath fountain that combines reliability, power, and customization, this is the product for you. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.